In my other video, I have shown you how to insert a pivot table and recommended you convert your data source into a table. So in that case, when you create a new entry or add a new column to your data source, you don't have to change it for your pivot table. What you have to do is go to anywhere in your pivot table and right-click your mouse, click refresh. The new entry or the new column will appear. To create a filter for your pivot table, simply drag the field you like to use a filter into the filters area. Then you can start using it by click the triangle in here. You can unselect all or select whatever. If this pivot table fields panel is not appear, you can bring it up by right-click anywhere in your pivot table and select the Show Field List. If you don't want to use the filters, you can also use a slicer. Adding a slicer in your pivot table, simply go to Insert, Slicer. Select the field you like to use as slicer, click OK. And when the slicer is created, you can change the style by choose the option from the top menu, and you can also change the size and drag it to anywhere. You can start using by just select the options you like to use. You can do multiple selection by holding the Shift or the Alt key on your keyboard.